Hello everybody around the world, my name is Tony Loyo and welcome to Keep Talking. Maybe you're going to ask yourselves, what is Keep Talking? What is the meaning of Keep Talking? Or what is this guy telling you about? Do not worry, Keep Talking is everywhere. For example, at school when you are giving presentations, or doing work at the office, or in our case at the industries where we have to develop projects and to talk to foreign people, or during vacation when you ask for elementary things such as foods, water, or just only help. That is keep talking. Keep talking that you don't stay in silence, that you can keep conversations with other people around the world, that you can share your culture, to say how beautiful is your country, for example, how beautiful is Mexico, how amazing is the United States, or Germany is very interesting, wherever you are from. That is the meaning, that you can continue conversations. And well, right now, Keep Talking is a space where everyone can put into practice the English and German languages. Our mission is to help everyone to improve his or her English or German knowledges with amazing dynamics to learn languages in a trusted and a secure space. Our vision is to motivate people to bring their languages back to life. For example, maybe you, because of the work, because of the family, or because of a terrible situation, you couldn't continue with your learning of the languages. Well, this is the time that you can return it back to life. You can return back to practice and to launch your international lives. That is the vision that we have here. And the values, well, we're working through professionalism, honestly, respect, integrity, teamwork, and responsibility. The principles is to ensure the quality of our language teaching and learning services. Well, I don't have any more to say, only that you have fun here in this space for you. Is the meaning of us that we can continue, well, learning the languages to support you. And yeah, welcome back. Welcome to Keep Talking, and whatever you need, or do you need something special like topics to see, or I don't know, an explanation of a specific well, topic in the English or German languages, you can contact us. And our idea is that we can make also videos on YouTube for teaching the topics that you would like to see. Well, I ask for your support by giving us a like and Keep Talking official, or well, in the future, our YouTube channel. So I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for being here today, and stay tuned for games that we have for you next weeks that you can practice. And well, we have an amazing gifts, amazing prizes. It is not money. You must remember the prize is knowledge. Then please stay tuned and welcome to Keep Talking. So see you next time.